Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can add tags to blog on Webflow, so let's get started. If you're new to Webflow, first sign up and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the left side panel and click on Themes. Choose the collection where you want to add title tags and meta descriptions. Inside that collection, click Add New Field, select Plain Text, and name it Title Tag, then save it. Repeat the same process to add another plain text field called Meta Description. After both fields are added, click Save Collection to confirm. Now, open one of your collection items or blog posts. Go to its settings, and under SEO settings, you'll find areas for the title tag and meta description. Click the Add Field button beside each and choose the fields you just created. Next, go back to the left panel, click on Pages, and open the page where your collection or blog lives. Click the gear icon next to that page to open Page Settings. Here, assign your title tag and meta description fields to their respective spots. Add your relevant SEO text and keywords for each section. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the updates to your collection items.